Right. That's good. Stay at home. The other class, they went to Khao Yai, right? And they say there's a lot of people there at Khao Yai. I bet with the weather so good.
It's cool.
Yeah, it's nice and cool out there in the mountain. It's probably like, people try to get out, go somewhere. I didn't go anywhere as well. I just stay here, not going anywhere. All right. Do you still remember this exercise? Like,
No.
I gave it to you on Friday. Like and likes, right? Can you tell me what kind of subject that using like? What subject that using like? I, right? What else? You, right? They, and then we. What about likes? What subject that we use for likes with the S?
He, she, it.
Yes. He, she, it. Right? Can you give me an example of you like what? You like, what is it? Just give me an example. You like ice cream, right? You like ice cream. What about he? He likes noodles, for example. Now, can you make this one as a negative form? How do you make it a negative form?
You don't like ice cream.
Yes, you don't.
He doesn't like noodles.
You don't like ice cream. Okay, and this one, he, negative form.
Doesn't like noodles.
Right, he doesn't like noodles. So that's how you make it a negative form, okay? Are you everyday using don't? Okay, don't. He, she, it using doesn't. And take a look at this like. Affirmative form has an S, right? And negative form, no more S. Now, I'm sure that most of you have done this, but I still like to give out the answers anyways. So some of you guys who haven't done it, please do it before I checking, okay? One, they, what is it?
Don't.
Right, they don't like golf. The rest is wrong. You have to use verb to do to help and they using with do, right? Number two, what? What is the answer?
What fruit does he like? He likes kiwi.
Very good. What fruit does he like? And you say he likes kiwis. Number three, children has more than one, right? Children usually what? Children usually likes, liking, or like, which one is it?
Like.
Right? Children usually like watching cartoon. Oops, sorry. Okay. Number 4, look at the girl. She
Likes.
yes. She likes chocolate. Number 5, David. Look at him.
Doesn't like.
Yes, David doesn't like because David is the third person talking about him. Oh, that's one he. Okay, so he using with doesn't. Number 6, look at the smiley face. They what?
They like.
They like playing in the park. Number 7, looking at Adam. What is the questions about spinach? What do you say?
Does Adam like Spanish?
Right? No, he
Doesn't.
no, he doesn't. Good. Number 8, this one is about the restaurant conversation, right? A was asking something, look at the choices, and then B say, yes, please. And then A say, what flavor do you want, chocolate or vanilla? So which should be the best questions out here for this conversation? Which one should
Would you like some ice cream?
Yes, would you like some ice cream? Okay, not chocolate because chocolate doesn't have a flavor, right? It does have some flavor, but definitely not vanilla.
It does have chocolate and vanilla.
Yes, and chocolate doesn't have a chocolate flavor. Okay, number 9. Mr. Stone has just sat down at a table and is looking at the menu. What should the waiter say? When Mr. Stone say, yes, I will have tomato soup and roast chicken.
Can I order for you now?
This one, it has to be, would you like to order, sir? Because if it says, can I order for you now? That's me now. You want to order food for him, but you don't know what he wants, right? This one, it could be another way. It should be, could I take? It's drop take. That's why it's wrong. Could I take the order now? This one also okay, but this one you cannot order food for the customer. So the best way for you to ask within these 4 choices, you should be, would you like to order, sir? Number 10, the situation. You go to the restaurant with your American friend. What would you say if you want to recommend him a special dish of that restaurant? What would you say for a special dish of that restaurant? What should you say? Would you like, what would you like for the starter, sir? You see this one, sir, only means you're not with your friends. You talk to someone who is a stranger or a customer or someone who's older than you, you're using sir, right? So this one is no. This one, could we have a menu, please? Of course, you can say that, but not to your friends. You say to the waiter, right? Not your friends. Your friend can have a menu. You need to say to him, right? Say, well, we have this special dish. That's doesn't mean like you own the restaurant. You just took him to the restaurant, right? So you cannot say we. So the only choices got left is, would you like to try spicy soup with prawn? Okay, with prawn. All right, do you have any questions over this one? No? So those who haven't done it, please, please, please go and do it, okay? Now take out your class book and turn to page 47. Tell me, what does the message on the smartphone say? Page 47 in the class book. Can you see the at the corner of the page? At the corner of the page 47.
1.25 kilo.
When, okay, the question was, how much does a chicken pie weigh at the Mitch's restaurant, right? So today we are the Incredible team is going to take us to the world famous restaurant or the world famous pie in the Castleford town, right? At the Castleford town. So they have to find out how much does the chicken pie weigh. Now let's watch the story.
Mrs. Midge's world famous pies.
Where is Midge's restaurant? Here it is. Let's go in.
At the restaurant.
Excuse me, are you Mrs. Midge?
Yes, I am. Can I help you?
Yes, please. We need to answer a question. How much does a chicken pie weigh at Midge's restaurant?
Oh, I don't know. I haven't got any pies left. But I'm going to make one now. You can help me.
Ah.
In the kitchen.
Here's the recipe, and here are the ingredients.
Flour, carrots, chicken. Oh, we haven't got enough onions.
Yes, we have. There are lots of onions. Look on the wall.
Oh. Stop, Rav. You've got too much flour. Oops.
45 minutes later.
We finished. Let's put it in the oven.
And now it's time to tidy up.
Oh.
Half an hour later.
Wow. Mrs. Midge's world famous chicken pie. Oh, it looks wonderful. It weighs 1.25 kilos.
That's right. Well done. but you're just in time for some chicken pie.
Do you want some? Yes, please.
Right. So how much does a chicken pie weigh? Do you know the answer? How much does a chicken pie weigh? Anyone, do you know? From the story. How much does a chicken pie weigh? Nobody understand the story?
I didn't understand. Sorry.
Weight 1.25 kilo.
Good, 1.25 kilo. How much grams is a quarter kilo? Do you remember when I said I taught you about a quarter at
30.
the right?
30.
Oops, sorry.
Is it 30?
30? Almost. Quarter means 1/4,
29, almost 30.
right? 1 kilo means 1,000 grams, right? So 1/4 is 250 grams. So 1.25, that's mean 1.25. Understand? So 1 pint weight 1.25 kilogram. So which team wins? Which team wins?
Incredible team.
Yes, incredible team as always, because they always quick. We never make a mistake. That is why. And you know what is the recipe means? Recipe. A recipe is the instructions to tell you how to make that dish, how to cook that dish, right? And the ingredient is the thing that will tell you what should you put in there in the dishes, in the particular dish that you want to make. So the ingredients is the food combination to make it dishes. So that's what it's called, ingredients, right? So how about a little walk down the memories of countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Here, apples, right? It's plural. And yogurt, it's uncountable nouns. What about biscuit? Countable or uncountable? Biscuit. Does anyone know?
This is not in the book.
Uncountable.
It's biscuits, it's countable nouns, and it is singular.
Teacher, is this in the book?
No, it's not in the book. It's just here.
Okay.
Exercise that I need all of you to do it, okay, with me. Bottles. What is it, countable or uncountable?
Countable now.
Yes, it's a countable noun, singular or plural?
Countable.
Plural.
Yes, it's countable and it is plural, countable nouns, right? Bread, can you count bread?
No.
No, so it is uncountable. Can,
Yeah.
what is it? Can,
Countable.
countable noun and it is singular. Okay. Cheese.
Uncountable noun and singular.
Yes, uncountable nouns always take a form as a singular. Okay. Children.
Countable noun.
Countable noun. And it is plural or singular?
Plural.
As plural. Coffee. Coffee, countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Yes, uncountable. Egg.
Countable.
Countable, singular or plural?
Singular. Singular.
Singular. Feet. Feet.
Countable noun.
Right. Plural or singular?
Plural.
Very good. 1 foot, 2 feet. Right. Knife. Knife. Can you count knife? It's
Singular. Singular.
singular, countable. Meat. Can you count meat? It is,
Cannot.
right, it's uncountable now, right? Mice. Mice is countable nouns and it is plural because 1 mouse, 2 mice, right? Poster, poster. Countable nouns or uncountable nouns? Poster, anyone know? Do you know a poster on the wall? Can you count? It
Is uncountable.
is countable nouns and it is singular. Okay. Sandwiches, countable noun or uncountable nouns, sandwiches. Sandwiches, you can count, okay? And it is plural.
Plural.
Table. Table,
Countable noun and singular.
very good. Countable and singular. And the last one, tea. You cannot count tea as a drink. Okay, so here is some refreshing your memories on the countable nouns and uncountable nouns. And then tomorrow, we are going to study on how many, oh, sorry, too many, too much, and then how many, and then how much. All right. So does anyone has any questions so far on this lesson?
No.
No? All right. I'm gonna let you go and don't forget to do this work, those who haven't done it, okay? I will check it later. All right.
Thank you, teacher Dennis.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher Dennis. Thank you, teacher Dennis.
All right. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.